Life is busy. Life is demanding. It's easy to feel overwhelmed. Anxiety can creep in, making us feel like we're losing control. But there's a powerful tool we can use. Meditation. Meditation is like a mental reset button. It helps us calm our minds, find focus, and manage anxiety. Think of it as a workout for your brain, strengthening it to handle life's challenges. Just a few minutes each day can make a huge difference. Ready to discover the power within? Let's begin. Look around. Take a moment to truly observe your surroundings. The world can feel chaotic with its constant hustle and bustle. Uncertain economic times, global events, and the constant pressure to do more can leave us feeling on edge. The stress of keeping up with everything can be overwhelming. It's no wonder anxiety is on the rise. Many of us find ourselves lost in worry, unable to escape the cycle of stress. We're constantly bombarded with information. Every screen we look at seems to demand our attention. Our phones buzz with notifications, each one pulling us away from the present moment. News cycles are 24/7, ensuring there's always something new to worry about. And social media keeps us in a state of comparison. It's exhausting. We constantly measure our lives against others, often feeling inadequate. But we don't have to be victims of this constant stimulation. Meditation offers a refuge, a sanctuary from the chaos. It's a way to disconnect from the noise and reconnect with ourselves. Through mindfulness, we can find peace and clarity, even in the midst of a hectic world. Meditation isn't just for spiritual seekers or yogis, it's becoming mainstream. Major corporations like Google, Nike, and Salesforce have integrated mindfulness programs for their employees. Why? Because they recognize the benefits. Meditation improves focus, boosts creativity, and reduces stress. It helps employees be more productive and engaged. If these global giants are embracing meditation, it's time we pay attention. It's a clear sign that this ancient practice holds value in our modern world. The present moment is the only time you have to be alive, the only time you have to be happy. Thich Nhat. These words from the renowned Zen master, Thich Nhat, highlight the essence of mindfulness, a core principle of meditation. Anxiety often stems from dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. Meditation gently guides us back to the present moment, allowing us to experience life more fully and with less distress. Section 5. Why meditation works, calming the storms within. Meditation isn't about stopping our thoughts. That's impossible. It's about changing our relationship with them. When we meditate, we learn to observe our thoughts without judgment. We acknowledge them and let them pass by like clouds in the sky. This creates a sense of space and calm within. Regular practice helps us develop emotional regulation skills. We become less reactive to stress and more resilient in the face of challenges. Section 6. Meditation made easy. 3 simple techniques to begin your journey. Meditation can seem daunting at first, but with the right approach, it can become a simple and rewarding practice. Ready to give it a try? Let's explore these techniques together. Here are 3 easy meditation techniques. First, guided visualization. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes and imagine a peaceful scene. This could be a place you've been to before, or a place you create in your mind. It could be a beach, with the sound of waves gently crashing against the shore, a forest, with the rustling of leaves and the chirping of birds, or a mountaintop with a breathtaking view. Engage all your senses. What do you see, hear, smell, feel? Imagine the warmth of the sun on your skin or the cool breeze against your face. Second, mindful breathing. Sit or lie down comfortably. Focus on your breath. This technique is all about being present in the moment. Notice the rise and fall of your chest as you breathe in and out, or the sensation of air entering and leaving your nostrils. Feel the cool air as you inhale and the warm air as you exhale. When your mind wanders, gently guide it back to your breath. It's normal for thoughts to drift in and out. Just bring your focus back without judgment. Lastly, body scan meditation. Bring your attention to your body. Starting with your toes, slowly scan upwards, moving through each part of your body. Noticing any sensations, warmth, tingling, pressure, or even areas of tension. Acknowledge and accept each sensation without judgment. This practice helps you become more aware of your body and can be very grounding. Remember, the goal is not to achieve a perfect state of calm, but to be present and aware. Section 7. Stars who swear by it. Meditation in the spotlight. Celebrities like Oprah Winfrey, Hugh Jackman, and Lady Gaga have openly shared how meditation helps them manage anxiety and stress effectively. They credit meditation for improving their focus, creativity, and overall well-being significantly. Their openness about their practice has helped to destigmatize meditation and inspire others to try it out. Section 8. Training your mind, transforming your life. Meditation as mental fitness. Think of meditation like physical exercise. At first, it might feel challenging. Your mind might race, you might get fidgety, that's okay. Like any workout, consistency is key. The more you meditate, the easier it becomes. You'll gradually build mental strength and resilience. The benefits extend beyond your meditation sessions. You'll start to notice yourself becoming calmer, more focused, and more patient in your daily life. Section 9. Ready, set, meditate. Practical steps for a more peaceful you. Start small. Meditation can seem daunting at first, but it doesn't have to be. Begin with just 5 minutes a day. This short duration makes it easier to commit and integrate into your daily routine. Consistency is more important than duration. Create a routine. Meditating at the same time each day helps build a habit and signals to your mind that it's time to relax. Choose a time and place where you can meditate without distractions. Use an app. A quiet, comfortable space can enhance your meditation experience. There are many great meditation apps available, like Calm or Headspace, that offer guided meditations and helpful tips. These apps can be particularly useful for beginners. It takes time to experience the full benefits of meditation. Be patient with yourself and recognize that progress may be gradual. Don't get discouraged if you find it challenging at first. Keep practicing. Over time, you'll find it easier to focus, and you'll start to notice the positive effects on your mind and body. Section 10. Your journey to inner calm starts now. In the midst of movement and chaos, keep stillness inside of you. These words from Deepak Chopra remind us that peace is possible, even in the midst of life's challenges. Meditation is the key to unlocking that inner stillness. Take a deep breath. Start small. Be kind to yourself. Your journey to a calmer, more peaceful you begins now.